Here we are at Garza Blanca, and this is a 3-bedroom penthouse. So we're going to have 3 separate bedrooms. We're going to have 2 rooms which have a king bed, and then the soaking tub and shower, beautiful hammock on the balcony. And there are 15 units. There are 15 of the 3-bedroom penthouse units here at Garza Blanca. We have the washer dryer, which is always nice. You don't have to overpack. Look at this stunning living area. These are all oceanfront units. Have a full kitchen, full refrigerator. So for those that want to not do the all-inclusive aspect, you can have food, pick up food, potentially have it delivered. Some places you can have groceries delivered. So this would be the 1 double bedroom. Again, all of these bedrooms have their own bathrooms. You have one out in the living area for guests as well. Here is the second king. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. And for wedding couples, a lot of times either the wedding couple or maybe the parents of the bride will get this 3-bedroom unit, because essentially you can all make this home base and the bride can come get ready here. So it's plenty of space here. The occupancy limit is 8 people in this unit, and you have an unbelievable balcony here. So lots and lots of space with a jacuzzi, hot tub. And again, all of these units are oceanfront units. What a view.